Today I will be showing you how to apply for an EIN number, which is to be used to run your business. It would be your tax ID number. You want to start by entering EIN number, irs.gov. Hit search. The link that you would want to hit, I am going to show you, would be right here, which is irs.gov, small business self-employed. All right, so this would be the link, or how you would best search the link to make sure it's the correct one for free. You would want to go down to the bottom where it says related topics. Hit employer ID numbers. The site is very detailed. It gives you all the steps that is needed. You do want to go down to the link that hits apply. Go down to the next step. Everything is self-explanatory. You can read the steps step by step with the details, information that is needed. If you do need to know what everything stands for, the site does basically give you links and give you detailed information related to that. Also going to zoom in, looking at some more details. I did go through this process a lot, but since I'm just providing mainly the details of the link, which is free. Just letting you know this is free. You can probably start your own accounting business, trying to set up businesses for people if they don't even feel like doing it. But it's still always good to inform people that it is free, but some people still may pay. You do want to hit begin application. This gives you the detailed information of what type of corporation you will be picking. So you would want to read over, probably maybe look at more research of what type of corporation you would want based on the type of liabilities or anything that you may be thinking that may occur with the business, or how you want to pursue your business. So I'm just going to go with a LLC, which is a limited liability company. I'm going to go to continue. Also go to continue again. With all the detailed information that they do provide, you can look more into that. Each page gives you detailed information of what type of corporation it is and what it provides. But everything is just easy and detailed, very easy to use. It's just the link, maybe some people can't find it. I'm just going to pick any state at the moment just to get to the next page, just giving you a rough look of how the site is, and just very easy to use. Gives you more detailed information, but all this information is free from the IRS. So this is for if you want to start your new business, which is needed just for tax purposes and everything, and just so that you can build your business next. Once in the future, once everything is built up more, I will give more detailed information on how to build business credit with your tax ID number, starting off first with opening like your phone line so that your business can be started properly with the proper phone numbers and everything. And mainly starting from the last page that's needed, main details that's needed is like your first name, your middle name, last name, and your suffix, as well as with your social. And more detailed information like this, if there is going to be any other owners, any other third parties, everybody information will be needed at the time when you fill out the application. Sometimes you probably can add more members, but it's always good to have everything in the beginning of the process. But this is the site that you would want to go to, which is the correct link. You want to just make sure you're always on the correct link, and just know that there is not a fee to set up an EIN number for your business. And also thank y'all for taking the time for listening, and I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube and pass the detailed information along. Thank you. You enjoy your day.